All right, guys, here we go. Here is the Ozark Trail Walmart $7 knife, the 7.5-inch Cumulus folding pocket knife. Now, just looking at it, this is a pretty slick design. It's an all-in-one aluminum frame. No liners. Let's go ahead and rip this bad boy open. Boom. There she is. Nice little Poky knife. And I have a feeling it's going to have some good action. Oh, man. That might be the best action out of any of them. I really like that. And just for reference, here is the Ridgeline. A little bit more force, a little bit more of a clicky action. And this is the Phantom. Yeah, that's about all you get. It's pretty tight. Might loosen those bolts or something and make it. But we are done looking at those. We are looking at the Cumulus. Now, the Cumulus is a really good feel. It's actually really light. I'm a big fan of these long straight blades. I would have liked this to not have the drop point on it. Would have came all the way to the top, kind of like a trapper style blade, but it still is pretty nice. This is a tip up carry, so when you put it in the pocket like this, the tip's going to be up. That's what I like, because when I come out the pocket, I want to be able to flip it open and go to work cutting whatever I need to cut. So this is a 3¼ inch stainless steel blade. It has that black coating on it. It is a 4¼ inch aluminum handle. It's a frame lock. You can see that there. We looked at it a minute ago. And a reversible pocket clip, which is nice for our left-handers. I typically carry these in my back pocket, straight up and down next to my wallet, like this. But I'm a big fan of this knife, believe it or not. Let's give it the sharpness test, or the packaging test, as I like to call it. Let's see how it wants it. Ooh, it really doesn't want it that much. There we go. Now we're getting it. Yeah, so it cut through the packaging. I mean, it's a $7 knife. What can you expect? We'll look at it with this paper. I mean, that's not too shabby for a $7 knife. So this is the Ozark Trail Cumulus. Big fan of it, guys. This is Easy Amateur Radio, back with more ham adjacent everyday carry topics. 73. Okay, so we're going to put the Cumulus on the scale. Boom, nice action. But we're going to set it right there. We've been comparing everything to the Ridgeline, 3.4 ounces. Let's check this little bad boy out. 2.2 ounces. So one of the lighter knives in this bundle. Really cool knife. Really, really neat knife. Okay, guys. Thank you.